Hello there. Welcome to the channel, How to Learn Physics with Only 5 Basic Math Equations. What you are about to see is a brief clip of one of the many physics lessons offered on this site. If you feel you need more in-depth explanations about any topic, please join our online classroom for free. Our topic for today is all about identity properties. This is lesson 2 of our series. The first identity property is the identity property of 0. The identity property of 0 means that when a variable is added or subtracted to 0, the result is always equal to the same given variable. For example, x plus 0 equals x, x minus 0 equals x. Thus, x plus or minus 0 equals x, where x is a variable. The next identity property is the identity property of 1. The identity property of 1 means that when a variable is raised, multiplied, or divided by 1, the result is always the same variable. Take note in our illustration, the number 1 beside the variable a is called the coefficient, the number under the letter a is called the denominator, and the number on the top corner of the variable a is called the power. All variables come with a denominator, coefficient, and power of 1. Meanwhile, the identity property of 0 means that when a variable is raised to 0, the result is always equal to 1. Thus, any variables or numbers, when raised to 0, are always equal to 1. The next identity property is the factorial property. The factorial of a variable means the product of all the numbers from number 1 up to the value of the variable. While the factorial of 0 is always equal to 1, the Q&A portion. Fill in the blanks. X plus blank equals x, x times blank equals x raised to 0 equals blank, and x raised to 1 equals blank. And the answers are, x plus 0 equals x times 1 equals x raised to 0 equals 1, and x raised to 1 equals 1. If you got all the answers right, congratulations. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.